Hey, it's Jim Wilcox from Consumer Reports, and today we're testing the first 3D TVs in our lab. Come on in. You know, we've been waiting since CES to get our hands on one of these sets, and we're really excited to have the first models available in our labs right now. What we have is two LCD models from Samsung, plus a plasma from Panasonic. You know, when you look at TVs as much as we do, you can get a little bit jaded about the product, but 3D TV is generating a lot of excitement within our company. In fact, the last couple of times that I've come into the labs here, it's been backed up with people waiting to get a chance to take a look at it. And based on their reactions and some of our preliminary tests, these TVs are doing a great job at presenting images that jump off the screen.
That is great.
You know, ever since CES, the big question has been, how much are these TVs going to cost? The good news is that they do cost more, but not a lot more than a conventional set. The TVs we now have in our lab run in the $2,500 to $2,600 range, and some manufacturers have announced lower price models that will arrive later in the year. Now, one of the things that you have to remember is that you will need some other things if you really want to enjoy 3D at home. One is a 3D Blu-ray player, and they cost about $400 right now, and they'll allow you to watch 3D movies at home. The other is that you'll need to get special 3D glasses. Some of the manufacturers are bundling a pair or two with the TVs, but if you're a family of 4 or 5, that means you're going to have to buy another couple of pairs, and they tend to run about $150 a set. So you're probably wondering what it is you're going to watch on that shiny new 3D TV you just purchased. Well, the reality is right now content is pretty limited, and we're just starting to see really the first rollout of 3D Blu-ray movies. Later this summer, we understand that DirecTV and ESPN will be launching 3D channels, and at some point we expect cable to follow suit. Based on our initial tests, these TVs are doing a great job at bringing some of the 3D excitement you might have experienced in the movie theater into the homes.
It really feels like it's coming out at you.
But we are starting to see some performance differences among the 3 models that we have in our labs. We'll keep you posted.
That's cool.
So, should you buy one of these 3D TVs? Well, if you're in the market for a TV now, it's really worth considering, since you're not going to have to spend a huge premium to get one. We're seeing maybe a $300 to $400 price difference over standard sets. The other thing is that if you buy a 3D TV now, it'll work fine as a conventional TV, and it will future-proof you for when you may want to jump into the 3D market later on, and you won't find yourself having to buy a new TV. This is Jim Wilcox for Consumer Reports.